Hey everyone, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Hey, if you've been with us for very long, or if you've been around the creative process for very long, then you know that making mistakes, it's kind of part of the whole thing. The key is figuring out how to deal with those mistakes when they happen, and we've got a little one right here that I want to share with you today. So one of the things we're currently making are these door hanger signs. They're really popular. We've got a ribbon that comes through a hole in the back, then we tie a knot, then the ribbon won't go back through. Pretty simple. But for the sign to hang straight on the door or on the hanger, then the holes have to be equally spaced on either side of the top center of the sign. So I wasn't paying attention earlier this morning, and I drilled the holes in a group of signs, and now we've got a bunch that are off center because I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. That's what happens when you get in a hurry, right? Anyway, we've got to fix these, but I don't want to spend too much time fixing them, but I don't want to throw the signs away either. Anyway, I've got what I think will be a simple fix, and I want to share that with you. Now, since these holes are 1/4 of an inch and this material is 1/4 of an inch thick, I want to take a 1/4 inch dowel, and I have cut a couple of plugs out of that. And these are going to go in these holes. Run the ends over I'm using some 220 grit because I don't want this to be too aggressive, but I don't want there to be a burr on the end either. Now we're going to take these plugs, I'm going to coat them on the edges in just a little wood glue. We'll coat that in a little wood glue, stick it in the hole, push that flush, and let it dry. Then we'll come back and paint it. Now once those are dry, we'll do just a little light sanding to make sure everything is flush. And now we'll touch it up with a little of the same yellow that we used to paint this originally. Bam, and look at there, with the ribbon on it, the new holes drilled, it's ready to go, and it looks as good as new. Look at that. I like it. I like the way this turned out. Hey, I hope that was helpful to you. Thanks a lot for hanging out here with us for a few minutes. If you like this video, then please like this video. Subscribe to our channel. We're doing stuff like this all the time. Tell a friend. We'd love to have you here. Thanks a lot for being here. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you got something out of it. Till next time, take care. Have a good day.